Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact Swift model and buying the correct cabin filter so fit and airflow are right. Once equipped, open the glove box or pop the underhood cover depending on your model and remove any contents. This exposes the access panel. You'll want gloves and a flashlight. Screwdrivers or trim tools may be needed. Make sure the car is off and doors are open for ventilation. Begin removing fasteners or clips carefully so you don't break plastic tabs. You unclip the access cover and carefully slide the old filter out, watching for the airflow arrow orientation. This tells you the correct direction for the new one. Once the filter is out, inspect the cavity for leaves, dust, or small critters and vacuum or wipe it clean so the new filter seals properly. Make sure the replacement matches size and pleat direction. If seals or foam strips are damaged, replace or repair them now so the new filter functions as intended. You slide the new filter in with the printed airflow arrow matching vehicle markings, then reattach the cover and any clips or screws you removed. Once secured, close the glove box or hood panel and start the car. Run the AC on high and monitor airflow and any unusual sounds. Make sure there's improved air volume and no new rattles. If airflow is weak or noise appears, turn off the car, reopen the access, and reseat the filter, checking for misalignment or debris blocking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.